Good day all and welcome back to our channel. So today let's discuss about product packaging in Odoo 40. So in Odoo we have different type of packaging methods like we can pack multiple quantities of a product in a single package, or we can pack different items, different products together inside a pack, and we can also create delivery packages. So let's discuss in detail about these packaging options. So first, let's open sales. So this is our community edition database. So let's open our sales. So first, let's discuss about packaging. So for that, first go to configuration settings and enable packaging option. So when you type packaging, you can see the option under sales, that is to sell products by multiple of unit per package. So it is already enabled. So after enabling that, when you go to products and choose a product, so we have pedal bin. Let me open it and edit that product. So here under inventory, you can find the option for packaging. So just click on add line and here we can add different packages, packaging. So pedal bin, okay, pack of 10, and here we can add the contain quantity. So I am creating a packaging of which contains 10 quantity. And if you want to provide barcode for this product package, can add here. Then we can set this package for a particular company, but I'm not adding any specific company here because I want this product package record to be available for all companies. So after that, save it. So you can see pack of 10 is created. In the same way, we can add another line and create another pack like pack of 5, and let me give quantity as 5 and save it. So you can see two packages created for this pedal bin. So after creating the product, let us go to sale order menu and create a new order. So here select that product pedal bin, and here you can see a field that is to provide the package for product. So you can sell, that is deliver products as packages to customers. So if you are not able to find the field, just click on these three dots. So from here we can select and deselect fields. Okay. Now after selecting the product, when you click on this, you can see the two packages created inside the configured inside the product. So when you select the product, you can see here the packages available is shown here. Two packages we have configured inside the product, pack of 10 and pack of 5. So just click choose one, and when you choose a package, here you can see a warning, this product is packaged by 10 units, you should sell 10 units. So just click OK, and here we have to edit the quantity to 10, and you can see that subtotal is changed, and from here after that we can confirm the sale order. And inside the delivery you can see here we can sell the product as 10 quantities to customers. So we can validate from here. So this is how we create packaging in Odoo 14. And now let's discuss about product packages. So when you go to settings here, when you search for packages, you can see that option. So this option is can be seen in our inventory. So you can see under inventory we have packages. So just enable that so that you can put your products in packs like as parcels, boxes, and track them. So after enable the option, save it, save the settings. And now when you go to inventory, there you can see a menu under products that is to create packages. So when you open here, you can see the available packages, but we haven't created any of them. So just click create and add the package name. So here automatically you can see the package reference pack 1, and here we can add the package type. So here we can edit it. So this is actually the delivery package. So if you want, you can save it. And here we can provide shipping weight. So I'm adding 1 kilogram of box. So in this way, manually we can create package from this menu. And if you want to unpack the package, you can just click on unpack. And if you want to see the package transfers, you can add see that here. And here you can also see a tree view where we can add the product lot or serial number, quantity. Okay. So let us go to sales again and create a sale order. So let me choose a product. Okay, that is box. And so let me choose a product from here. Let it be cabinet with doors. And then again, choose a product, a different product, conference chair. So it has some variants. You can select one. So you can see 2 products are added. You can change the quantity. Suppose for cabinet with doors, I need to deliver that is 5 quantity for customer. Okay, so 2 products are chosen. Now let's confirm the sale order. And after confirming the sale order, when you go to delivery there, so from here, you can see an option that is to put in pack. So we can put these products in package. So when you click on this, you can see automatically this new package is created and these products are put inside this that package. If you want to edit the package, suppose I want this product to be added to a different package like pack 1, I can do that from here. So I'm not doing that. Let it be inside this package. So after that, you can validate the delivery. So the product is delivered to customers. And you can see here an option that is package. So when you click on this, you can see our package, newly created package. And when you open this, you can see that here the products are added to this package. And you can see here, you can add the package type, that is delivery package. And we can change the shipping weight, and we can also see the package transfers. So when you click on that, you can see one transfer created, that is from our location, our stock to customer's location. So you can see that from here. So that's how we create package in Odoo 14. And now when you go to configuration settings, sorry, we have to go to inventory, and here you can see the option for delivery package. So when you click on that, you can see the created delivery package. So one delivery package is already created, no carrier integration, and you can see the package type, height. So when you click create, you can see here I can create a new delivery package, can add container name, sorry, package type. Then here we can provide the height of the delivery package and width. Then we can provide the length, then maximum weight of this package. So I'm adding 5 kilogram, okay, 3 kilogram. I can provide barcode for this delivery package, then package code. After that, just see this. Okay, so let me, so one delivery package is created. And now let me show one thing. Here we can see the carriers. So here there are no carriers integrated. That is, no carrier integration is done for this delivery package. So when you go to configuration settings, here you can see different carriers, that is shipping connectors available, like UPS connector, DHL USA connector. So if you want to use this option, that is these connectors, just enable, and here you can find option to upgrade now, because these options, these connectors are only available in enterprise version. So if you want to use these connectors, you have to upgrade. So let me show something. If you click upgrade now, you can see that here you can see our order pricing page. So from here we can choose the applications, required applications. And when you choose, you can see the number of applications, total discount, total amount, and we can buy the product from this page, or we can try for 15 days. That is free trial. And if you want to scan a package, barcode scanner option is also there in enterprise version, and we can also upgrade and buy this application from order pricing. So you can also enable and upgrade if you want to process operations faster with barcodes. Okay, so we have created the delivery package. Now we can make use of this delivery package. Like when you come to our packages, here we can see our package pack 2, and here we can select the package created. Like we can see, you can see that package type container. So when you click here, you can see, when you go to external link, the information provided inside the delivery package, and you can save this package. So that's all about product packaging in Odoo 14. If you're interested in knowing more about this or looking for any Odoo implementation or customization in your business, drop your request to odoo@cybrosys.com.